Hey everyone, are you also planning to downgrade iOS on any iPhone device? Then how do you downgrade it? We will see live, step by step. If you don't have any opportunity to downgrade, either it is signed or unsigned, and by mistakenly or deliberately you have updated with the latest beta version, then how do you do that? We will see live, step by step, guys. Here. So see here, firstly, we will do here some strategy. Go on a especially general 2, of course we will have to tap on a software update and we will check it out in that is your iPhone recommending or not. No, here iPhone is not recommending to a downgrade, guys. Here it's a function that go for update and currently it is 26.4.1. So just for everything we will go for an administration, that is a 3U tool, and thereupon tap on smart flash options to a firmware and check it out that how many firmware that are recommending for shine version and unsigned. See, shine version, these all green dot 4, in which especially 26.4 one beta that we can downgrade or rollbacks, that is assigned. Another way also we can go on a switch line the refreshing option there and go for refresh here on easy flash, and there is 26.4, and here is a 2 beta version, that is 26.5 volume 1 or 2. We can't go with the especially, we would like to go with the especially 18 iOS. So as we know that this is unsigned versions, how can I? Yes, this can be the possible. We will come on here and in a firmware tap on especially 18.6, this one's go for download. It has started to download. Now this unsigned firmware, how do I especially install on this iPhone? Simply we will go on a toolbox 2, of course we will have option that's a software update and send this file. So now see directly it has been sent. Now we can see here it came on there. Now what we will do, guys, here, now we will close and of course we will go on here and once again in the profile download options, and there is a now we'll go for installations in this, and after installing here what we will do, guys, here simply we will come in a smart flash to here. Now on easy flash here is options that imports. So here if it is a downloaded, just it is a taking time, guys, here maybe a server disturbance. So let's see especially with the demo by another iOS that I had downloaded. Yes, we will come in imports options, and in imports options there is especially some iOS that I have installed. So see here 13 point something, so this is, and here what's iOS, it is 16.7.9. so of course we can jailbreak it also. How it is possible? Yes, jailbreak, and just we can verify on here that no need to jailbreak, easily it will be a jailbroken available here. Now see here jailbroken, and that is a 16.5.1, means 16.6 also this can be a jailbroken. So just we will come the easy and just we will select this one and we'll go for here retain user data. Don't select the quick flash mode, don't select the anti-recovery, don't fix flash, just we will select this one. Yes, retain user data, and we will go for it. So now it's a saying so that it's ready to a downgrade. Yes, 26.4 to 20 and the 16.7.9. so just without backup go for flash option, and this will be especially easily downgraded, guys. Right now of course we would like to come with the 18 because needed right now. So 6% I have installed, sorry, downloaded. Let me have the it all, then just nothing now here matters, just hit this one flash and this will be especially downgraded, no problem at all. But yes, we will have to tap to install this, click on this, and this will be automatically of course doing that. So I had especially sent for the 18 hours, so that's why I'm waiting for here. Wait, I'm there waiting for especially 18 iOS in this way, guys. We will come with this. Otherwise, of course, 16 this will be also installed. So this is all about, guys. We will have to wait here, and the video would be a lengthy issue. For the many kinds of the query, of course, you can raise the query or drop the query in the comments box, and a pleasure would be mine to reply your query. Hi, this is a technological friend. We'll be back with a step by step with new tutorials. So don't forget to join, like, subscribe, and share this content. Anyone who is having this kind of challenge, and then they can easily privilege of this information. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.